The main question of the day is this body better than my original one, and is it even worth it to restore this one instead of my original? First off, let's look at the problematic places. As you can see here, this body doesn't have any rust here, basically none. If we look from inside, now it's starting to peel somewhere, but overall it's good condition. I will redo stuff anyway, because I will go with sand blaster and look all around. The driver's side, well, I see that there is starting to form up. It's just dirty, but it is starting to form up. Rust is forming up. This is normal. It's not a hole, it's for the wiring. But yeah, rust is forming up, but also if you look from inside, there is some rust forming up here and here. But I think that's okay, because anyway, I would need to fix up inner arcs either way. So what about the back part of the car? As maybe you remember, then my arcs was all messed up. Here it's all smooth and good from the inside. That's much better than mine. Of course, there are some outside parts that will need to be fixed, like here it's really rusted. But overall I would say that this is much better condition. Yeah, you can see there are a lot of problems here, but the true face of this rust we'll see after the sand blasting at some point. For now, I think this body is better. So it's a new day. As you can see outside, it's sunny. Yesterday it was dark. Yesterday I forgot to show you the little side cover plastic thingy. It's basically held in by one screw right here, this screw right here, then few clips all around that just pulls out, and the belt screw, this big guy. It's on 16mm head. Yeah, you just screw this one off, screw that one off, and I just pull it off. But be careful, because as you can see I messed that one up. Same goes for that side. So let's get back to removing these parts. We'll need to remove the seat belts from this side, then remove these. See with the inner arcs, this one is, as you can see already, looking terrible. Ugh. And yeah, basically start there, remove this, move up all around. So first off, this one. Maybe let's start with the seat belt, and then we'll see. Maybe we don't need to remove that much of the stuff. I'll just remove these and try to get to that one. Then we'll figure out about this other stuff. But I'm not quite sure how it should be or is or whatever. See that there is seatbelt being held on by one screw, I guess. But the top part, I'm not sure. One is up. Yeah, also about these videos and stuff like that. At the beginning it was really hard for me to think about stuff to talk about. Nevertheless, I'm doing these things, but if I need to tell you about them, then quite shy, confused, I don't know what to call it. So this one is off. Let's see. Does it remove like that? Not quite. This remove. Oh, I believe this is just the clip-ons, like the door panel. Let's see. Yes. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So the same system as with the door panels. You just, yeah, peel it off, so to say, and it's off. Add the little clips left in there. Oh no, those are different clips. Oh no, those are from the top side. Yeah, but still. Held on by little clips. If I could figure out how to get that one off, it would be fun. But that's gonna be task for a bit later. So, will this give me my seatbelt? Question of the day. Looks like it. Yep. We have this part. We would like to remove the seatbelt. And don't do that. Not anyone doing that, don't do that. You just break it. No, I just broke the pin, not the panel itself. But this little cover thingy is off. This is junk. Can we remove this one? Should be possible. Ooh, I got it. I got it. Nice. So it's just a cover, pop-up cover. Speaking about rust, let me just quickly. Yeah, this is what my body looks like. The second one doesn't have these kind of problems. That's why I want to switch it up. Not sure where I'll get all these rubber thingies and stuff. But we'll see. First, let's remove seatbelts, this one and this one. Then move on to the other side, remove everything there. And I try to remove these panels because I will need to remove them to get to the roofing, which also is very awesome. Let's do this. I guess I will switch on a time lapse and finish both sides. But basically all the seatbelts held on by 16mm screws. Just pop the covers off, you get to everything. A little update. This seatbelt is held also by a little cross screw under the cover here. I don't know, maybe the second one also needed to be, but here it is, little cross screw. Now we should be golden. Yep. So I found more holes in the ground. There's one, here I can see through the ground. Yeah, this body is toast. Let's continue. Okay, let's see how we can get all this off. See that there is something here. Let's see what's under there. I guess it's the pin itself. Yeah, it was a little cover pin. Oh, it's almost there. I'm just gonna remove this one. Doesn't need to be there anyway. Oh, it's that easy. So only the top side is being held by these two pins, I guess. With these two pins, just remove it and peel it off. Also, you need to remove these. Oh, one thing broken. I don't really care. Second one survived. Again, remove the inner rubber thingy of the door and just pull away from the window, wiggle it around a bit. And it's off. The upper handles, I see that they have these two small covers, and my guess is under there will be two cross-headed screws. Yep, here's one and the second one. Great, we don't need this one. Lock system for the trunk door, back door. Basically, it's the cover is held with one cross-headed screw. More stuff to remove. So actually, it's 12mm heads, 4 of them. Now we have these two lights, one here and one there. I will start with this one because here we have the cover on. It's pretty simple, you just turn the cover opposite of clockwise, and then there are two cross-headed screws. Both of them are out. Just need to disconnect the wiring. So these ones are out. Yeah, it's held in by one pin right here. And it's off. I think I don't have anything good on this car. What is it? And it's off. Again, a lot of dirt, but it's off. Sun protector's mirror / mirror. It's all bad. It's held in by 3 screws, 2 on this side, 2 on the right side, 1 on the left side, and I believe the second one same, 1 right side, 2 left side. Let's remove it. So the sun protectors are off. Now to the mirror lamps or something. From what I can see, we can take off this cover thingy because there are 2 like dots. I don't know how to call them. Yeah. Oh, cool! It stays like that. Cool. Okay, let's try to open it. One side comes off completely. Huh. Okay. What do we have there? We have 2 screws to get off this part, and then 1 screw for the mirror. Yeah, there's this one small contact, and it is off. The lamp thingy, you can put it there. The mirror itself is held in by cross-headed screw. I can continue looking further what is there that's holding it in place. Mirror is off. Yay. Whoop, just saw my face. So it's still with 3 cross-headed. I took it off. There's nothing there. It was just plastic cover that held the mirror in place. One more thing before you remove the roofing. Don't forget to take off the door rubber thingies, because they also hold the roof cover. So do it beforehand. The roofing is off. As you can see, there were heating elements. Now let's just take them off. The situation was a little different as I imagined. I never took an off roofing from any car, but it was held in by this, and the roof itself looks like this. I thought it was just glued on, but in reality we have these metal cords going like through all the sections that is stuck inside. Let me quickly find. Yeah, so basically they're stuck in these crevices. The front was just held in, tucked in behind the window rubber seal. As you can see, I broke some of it, but it is what it is. Doesn't matter really that much. Well, at least now we know how the roof looks from inside. At least I learned something new. Didn't know about that one. Now I know. So guys, this is the end of the episode. In this episode we removed roofing, flooring, bits and bobs around the interior. Now we are just left with the heating unit, and then that's it. No more interior for this car. We can then move on to the hood and stuff like that. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. That's it for this episode. Next episode, the heating elements and small stuff. I won't be taking out the wiring and stuff like that, because why bother? I have it in the second car. At least this way I will see how it used to look. Okay, see you in the next episode. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.